The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is here. It is Ulefone's first device to feature a built-in projector. The device is an exceptionally robust and feature-rich smartphone designed for demanding outdoor and professional use. As I mentioned earlier, the device features a built-in autofocus projector, and the projector is capable of displaying images up to 100 inches at a 480p resolution. Additionally, its maximum brightness is 150 lumens. Adding to its outdoor readiness is a powerful 1200 lumen camping light. Other features of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro includes a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus IPS 120Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood, it is powered by a Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with a generous 16GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. It runs on Android 15, offering the latest software experience. Photography is a strong suit with a versatile triple rear camera setup led by a large 1-inch type 50MP sensor with dual pixel phase detection autofocus, followed by a 64MP night vision camera and a 50MP ultra wide angle lens with 4K video recording capabilities. For selfies, there's a 32MP front facing camera. One of its most impressive features is its colossal 25,500 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse wired charging, guaranteeing extended usage and the ability to power other devices. Further enhancing its rugged appeal, the Armor 34 Pro includes a side-mounted fingerprint reader, IP68 and IP69K compliant. The device is immersible up to 2 meters and military-grade standard E10H certification for drops up to 1.5 meters. Connectivity options are comprehensive with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and so on. The Armor 34 Pro also features a USmart 2.0 port for connecting accessories such as an endoscope or rangefinder. The device also includes AI features including Google Gemini Assistant and intelligent call summaries. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. The official sale of the Armor 34 Pro would commence from the 15th of June. Currently, Ulefone is doing a giveaway. If you wish to participate in the giveaway or get the Armor 34 Pro for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description and comment section. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.